Hello! So, meron tayong problem dito. A frictionless piston is used to provide a constant pressure of 400 kilopascal in a cylinder containing steam originally at 200 degrees Celsius and a volume of 2 cubic meter. Calculate the final temperature the uh, if the if 3,500 kilowatt of heat is added. So i-apply natin ngayon yung ating natutunan, yung Q is equal to enthalpy 2 minus enthalpy 1. So, or pwede nating sabihin na yung 300 given na to yung 3,500 joule, that is actually your Q, is equal to specific enthalpy at 2 minus using steam table, using steam table. Okay, given yung pressure at saka temperature, you will get your enthalpy 1. So may enthalpy 1 ka dyan, tapos times mo ng M or mass. Okay, specific kasi ito, pagka specific enthalpy tayo, yung small letter H, dinivide mo ng M yan, okay, ng mass, kaya nga specific. So pwede mo siyang in terms express in terms of specific enthalpy, pero i-times mo ng M, it's still the same. Ito lang yan. Yan pa rin yan. Sinubstitute lang natin yung Q, which is ito nga, 3,500 kilojoule of heat. So yung H2, ginawa mo lang H sub 2 na maliit minus H sub 1 na maliit, multiply mo ng mass, yun pa rin yun. Okay? So we're talking the same thing. Ngayon, from the steam table, makukuha natin yung enthalpy 1, yung initial condition, itong H sub 1, maliit. So ilagay natin dyan. So all you have to do, you get your steam table and find out. Alam nyo na to kasi inaral nyo na to sa basic. Okay, just follow me on this and do for yourself evaluation kung paano nakuha sa steam table yung values, I am not going to show how to get that one. Okay, it's 2 minus, from steam table, the value is 2,860. Okay, close and open parenthesis, or open and close parenthesis, times M. Okay, so you can get actually your M. Okay, bakit? Given yung volume and yung internal energy mo, you can get it from the steam table as well. So your M, I change the color, so your M is equal to volume na rin ng steam. Ano ba pinag-usapan natin dito? Steam, di ba? Okay, the steam, ayan. Okay, inside the cylinder. So, parang ito yung cylinder mo nga. Ulitin ko lang. Okay, you will have your piston. Okay, ang piston mo ay may ganyan yan. Okay. And then you have your gas. Or you have your steam. In this case, steam. You added your Q. Okay. So, volume of your steam divided by the specific volume, by the specific volume of your steam at a given initial condition. Locate that in the steam table. You will have 2. Given na yan yan tapos ito ang value nito galing sa steam table. Okay, 0.5342, that is equal to 3.744 kilogram. So that's the mass of your steam. Okay, let's move forward. Move forward tayo. Then you will get your enthalpy 2, diba? Using that equation. Okay, you will get your enthalpy 2, that is 3,500 divided by the mass, 3.744, right, plus yung initial enthalpy, which is 2,860. So your enthalpy 2 is equal to 3,795 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, so from the steam table, tapos mag-interpolate ka your temperature 2, you can get it, that is 600 plus 92.6 over 224, okay, times 100, and you will get your 641 degrees Celsius temperature at point 2. So ito yung ating gustong makita. Okay, temperature 2. So a friction less piston is used to provide a constant pressure of 400 kilopascal in a cylinder containing a steam of originally at 200 degrees Celsius and a volume of 2 cubic meter. Calculate the final temperature, diba, if the heat added is 3,500 kilojoule doon sa system, diba? So yan yung ating sagot. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye.